I think so. He's able to bowl the batsman. I think so. Snap is the ball in. And Taimoor Mirza, the batsman. He's on the wicket. Let's see what happens this time. Taimoor Mirza on the wicket with a great power in the last over. It was perfect. Perfect batting. So let's see what happens this time. The short run up. Okay, let's go. Oh, Taimoor Mirza hitting it. Grounded shot. The fielder picks it up. Okay, let's go. And here we go. Here we go. Grounded shot again. It goes all the way for a boundary. जबरदस्त टीम है और ये सिग्नेचर शॉट है जबरदस्त शॉट सिलेक्शन आप देखेंगे पार का सिग्नल जी 1 बाउंस एंड डॉट फॉर 4
बड़ा हॉलीवुड बोल रहे थे हैं नहीं है तो स्पीकर में बोलना मैं
आई एम वेरी एंटरटेन्ड विद दिस
थोड़ा बात कर रही है हाय
चकमा दिया स्मृतना So let's see what happens this time.
वो है डरदा क्यों देखो
Okay. Sab is taking his run up. And let's see what happens this time.
अल्लाह
Goes for a shot.
जैसे याद है कुछ नहीं आखदा मैं डरदा पे देखो ये हम आउट हो
Perfect catch by the bowler.
आगे आ आगे आ
Taimoor Mirza goes back towards the pavilion.
मोटरसाइकिल लगे